Ensure the substrate is free of cracking, peeling, chalking, and blistering. Test the coating adhesion on the substrate surface. Test the coating adhesion on the substrate surface. And remove any coatings with poor adhesion. Perform local scraping and sanding where necessary. Sandblasting, shot blasting to SAW 2.5 standard or power tool cleaning to Street 3 standard. Clean the surface, ensuring it is free of rust spots, mill scale, and old or aging coatings. Ensure the surface to be sprayed is completely clean, free of oil, and free of dust. Substrate temperature must be at least 3 degrees Celsius above the dew point. Ambient temperature 5 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Humidity less than 80%. Substrate temperature 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Calibrate the coating thickness gauge before application and measure the base film thickness. Primer application. Mixing ratio by weight is 10:1. Calculate usage based on area. Water dilution 0 to 20%. Spray evenly. Ensure all corners and recessed areas are fully covered. Interval 2 to 4 hours. Second coat can be applied after surface dry. Total dry film thickness DF 80 to 100 microns. Top coat application. Mixing ratio by weight 15:1. Water dilution 0 to 20%. Move the spray gun at a constant speed. This ensures extremely uniform color and film thickness, and avoids the appearance of stripes. Interval 2 to 4 hours for the second coat. Total dry film thickness DF 120 to 150 m 120 to 140 microns. Protective coat application. Mixing ratio by weight is 4:1. Water dilution 0 to 20%. Apply one coat. Total dry film thickness DF 50 microns.